Hi guys, yeah, and today I'm going to make this video to show to you guys that uh, I have added all the donation and you have donated to support the English class program and like I already update in and I post on my Facebook already, and I'm going to talk about how I feel and how we use the fund going on. Yeah. So first of all, to say thanks very much to uh, everyone. We really appreciate for all your help and especially for brother Tom and sister Nini. Yeah, and you have support me, help me too much. Yeah, you help me to make many people know me and they message me, contact me, and you still you still how to say help to promote my YouTube channel also. And please go to follow me on my YouTube channel and more information I will post on my YouTube. Okay, so I will not post too much on my Facebook now. Like books or markers or school supplies, I did not write. I did not post it. I did not write your name down because I just write down the one who support the money. Yeah, and yeah, also, I like to say thanks to AZ Market team, yeah, and like brother New and we from USA and brother Kel, yeah, Subkit, and they support us some boosts and school price before brother Tom meet me, yeah, before that. So many of you have donate money and books or so and beg or help me to share my Facebook page to everywhere and make more people know about me. Yeah, and I really appreciate for all those things help. Yeah. So today I just afternoon on the 3rd of October I just back from the farm for lunch only. Yeah, so I have not too much time and I talk a little bit and now we have bought we use the money to bought a land. It costs $2,000. Yeah, $2,000 and it's nearly by my house but haven't built any classroom yet, just buy a land only, and we still need to build the school, but maybe we still need money to build it, and I will go to make a video on how is the land. Yeah, and like you have seen, I post some we use some money to buy new table and benches and build the fence also, and we use money to buy books, school supplies, buy books for students, and so how we use the file going. Yeah, if you check the list, yeah, if you check the list and don't see your name, and please message me. Please message me, and I will manage and update it again. Yeah, because many people block me on Messenger and Facebook also, so I cannot get your like I cannot get your information or your donation also. Yeah, I just want to say thank you very much and to support this program. So we're gonna make build move this program on, and we still have a lot of work to grow this program. And I, as you know, my English is not perfect yet, yeah, but no more, and but I will try to give English to the kids as much as I can, and maybe it must be better than no, right? Yeah, so yeah, so now I'm gonna talk a little more. Okay, yeah. Giờ tại chị họ để nó có hai lục món á, hay ở bên là lục món cho đã khó ở này cho cho đi lâu cái cho mùa này ạ, nên nó từ cả Australia là giờ Canada thế này cũng bao nhiêu lần cho tháo lưỡi mình nhiều giàu program để nó đấy à, 给我那种到底给并到看重那电视的，贴ý lý khó của hai của tôi mới hai của English đào lần đầu thì cái gì nha mình đi chơi thì có thể khen trong đó thế dạ thì cô này cho khen gọi cái chuyện mà chơi gì đâu tận đây là mình cái chuyện nó mặc giải được rồi mình còn lọt lọt tôi muốn dạ thì cô này cho này cái nhà là sao biết thế dạ sao lúc program là nó thì cái ở trong đó dạ so and one more thing is, I want to say thanks very much for those who support and give me and like donate to support my personal, and I really appreciate this also. So I will post all your name, the list here also, and you will see all the name and how many people and how much do you donate. Yeah, and please go and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Okay, so now I post the list here and you will see all the name and how much do they donate. Yeah, as you know, like I use only my phone as I don't have money to buy the best quality. Yeah, the best phone or the best camera, and I use my normal phone. It's might not so clear, but hope you gonna help me and support this. So, so that's all. Yeah, and lastly, I would like to say thanks very much for all your support. We will never forget your help. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so thank you.